In this video, we'll guide you through the CDN mapping section, helping you integrate your CDN domains seamlessly with your WordPress site. The CDN mapping section in WP Ghost is designed to allow you to add your CDN or custom domains to the validation list for changing paths. This ensures WP Ghost recognizes those domains and adjusts the paths accordingly. If you don't add your CDN domain to the list, WP Ghost will only change the paths for your local domain. This helps prevent issues like 404 errors from happening due to external path changes. To test this feature, start by adding a valid CDN domain through the Litespeed plugin or any CDN configuration tool for your website. Remember, the domain must be specifically created for your site. Next, to inform WP Ghost to update the paths for this CDN domain, simply add that same domain to the Mapping CDN Domains section in WP Ghost. If you're running a WordPress multi-site, make sure to add the CDN domains for each subsite that has a CDN configured. This ensures all subsites will reflect the proper CDN paths. Don't forget to save your changes, and after that, make sure to clear your site's cache to apply the new settings. Now let's check the front-end source code. You'll see the path has been successfully updated for the CDN domain as well. And that's it. With CDN mapping in WP Ghost, you can make sure all your CDN domains are properly mapped and paths are updated without issues.